Hello, good morning. Quick message. Finally get in the new house. Look at here the mest. Oh my goodness. But I'm happy with that. It's better house. I struggle to make any video because of the I have 2-3 days since I wake up early and go to sleep late. Have another room here. Look at the mess. It's too much mess. I will show you a little bit of the house. Um, have another room here. It's okay. Should be my brother sleeping in there. Uh, bathroom here. Big mess. And my room here. Looking a little bit better. I show you a quick view outside. So this is the kind of living room. It's not too bad. The kitchen, I have to say, look at here, every stuff in the middle of the way. Yeah, I have to fix all of this. And my backyard, gigantic backyard. I have to build a shed over there so I can keep this stuff. I just get a delivery with this cooking pit, and they're ready for sale. And I don't have any place to store it, so I will build a shed there so I can keep my inventory. Eventually I can move in. I don't know if I can move in a warehouse or something to have my stuff in, but for now I don't want to waste money on renting these places or stuff. And yeah, I'll have my own shed since it's a lot of space back there, so it's no point paying extra money for a warehouse. So yeah, pretty much it for today. I have to fix all this mess, and not gonna have any time to do any retail arbitrage or something. And yeah, quick video. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next time. I have a very cool topic coming up. Stay tuned.